Hey guys, Spencer here with Rainforest Plumbing and Air. Today we're going to talk about how to use your Ecobee Premium Thermostat. The Ecobee Premium Thermostat is actually the exact same thermostat I have at my house and what I recommend to all of our customers. So here are a few of the ways that you can maximize the usage of this thermostat. Alright, so first let's talk about adjusting the temperature. When you're adjusting the temperature on your Ecobee, wake up your thermostat by just tapping on the set point. So we're in automatic mode, which means if it gets too hot in the room, it'll cool down to this number, or if it gets too cold, it'll heat up to that number. So this is a perfect setting for basically just keeping your home comfortable throughout the day. So if you want to change from heating to cooling or to automatic, you just click this top section here, and then you choose one of the selections listed here. You can even just turn the thermostat off. So just touch away from there to get back to the main menu. When you want to make just a on-the-fly adjustment, you just click on the set point and then move the number around to your desired set point. So another really cool feature about the Ecobee is you can see the outdoor temperature, and I find this feature really useful when I'm just trying to decide what to wear and I don't want to go outside to find out. I can just look at my thermostat. Another great feature is you can see the humidity point in your home. You can also see the air quality reading. So the Ecobee is constantly monitoring to see if the indoor air is suitable or not. So sometimes it'll ask you to open a window to try to get more fresh air in, that sort of thing. So it kind of is monitoring all of that for you. So here's how you access the main menu. You can adjust various settings here. You've got your indoor air quality readings. You've got your fan mode. You can make certain adjustments here to ensure that the fan is running for various periods. This is a great way to save money by not running your compressor, but still circulating air. You can even use Siri or Alexa with the Ecobee, which is a really just handy thing, so you don't even have to walk across the house. And then here's some additional settings where you can add sensors, set schedules, go on a vacation mode, all kinds of things. And there you have it. That's how you use an Ecobee Premium. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions about an Ecobee Premium Thermostat or anything HVAC related, go ahead and leave it in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video.